Welcome back to Money Talks. In case you're new here, my name's Ian. Today we're talking about the Empower checking account, the debit card here. I did a video about this a month ago, and I was talking about how they introduced new fees and they got rid of Cashback, and I've reassessed my decision on the card based on a few conditions, which I'm gonna go over right now. And I think you should really consider all of these things before you decide if you're gonna keep this card or actually get this card if you haven't gotten it yet, or if you're gonna close it. Remember this guy, Empower? So I said some things in a previous video regarding the elimination of cashback and the introduction of new fees, monthly fees, $6 a month to be exact. Well, I did some more research and apparently they updated their terms of service again, and I guess I have to go back and correct myself a little bit. What I actually did was I went back through and looked at my transactions. I found out I was still getting paid cash back and I wasn't getting a fee. So what I did here, I'm on my old phone, my iPhone SE. It's so tiny, I cannot believe I actually used this phone for 5 years now. So I got my old phone, I got the Empower app pulled up. Let's see, so I got my transactions here. I sorted by other income, which is what the Empower Rewards shows up as. And you can see here in February 4th, I have Empower Rewards of $4.24. And I have my interest accrual as well. December 4th, I have $10 Empower Rewards. So I was suspecting that at the end of December, they would shut down the rewards, that 1% cash back. Apparently they didn't, because I just got some in February. So I have... It looks as if they have reassessed how they're doing the Empower Rewards. So I went on here to their website, to the terms of service, to see exactly what's going on here. So I'm on the terms of service here, and if we scroll down here, let's just do Control F for fee. Or cashback, actually. Okay, so here we go, rewards. This is right on here on the Empower Terms of Service. If you opened your Empower checking before November 21st of 2019, you may be eligible for cashback rewards. So maybe eligible. They should just say you're still eligible. So basically, if you opened your Empower checking account before November 21st, you're going to get cashback rewards indefinitely, it appears. If you open it afterwards, you're not getting any cashback. So that should play into your decision of whether to keep this checking account or not. I think I'm actually going to keep it since I opened this account almost a year ago. If you open it after November 21st and you got that $6 fee, that $6 fee is just going to eat into that 10 or 20 cents of interest that you earn every year, since you're not earning any cash back. So let me just go here. Cashback rewards can be found here. That's just a little bit more detail. So yeah, 1% on the first 1,000. So if you open this account before November or after November 21st, I don't think I would use this. If you're like me and you opened it before November 21st, you might as well just keep it and use it as your primary spending card. As far as fees go, they didn't actually say anything about how fees work if you opened your Empower checking account before November 21st. Let me just do a search again. So fees. They don't say anything about it, but I have not been getting any fees. So I'm under the impression that I am exempt from fees just because I opened my account before November 21st. And it's really unfortunate because this is pretty unfair to new users. Oh, here we go. Okay. Empower subscription agreement. If you signed up before November 21st of 2019, your monthly fee is $0 per month. However, they're subject to change at their discretion. So it could go up to the $6 a month. I think they're really just interested in retaining customers at this point. They're going to slowly sneak in that $6 fee across their whole portfolio of accounts over the next year or two. Because, I mean, with that cash back, I mean, that cash back is expensive for them. They need to make back their money somehow. Yep. Okay. Basically, in short, if you opened Empower Checking before November 21st of 2019, you're in the clear. This account should be good for a while, but I would not use this checking account if you open it after that date. I hope this is helpful for you. I read through all these terms and conditions, and so you didn't have to. So I would appreciate it if you liked the video. Make sure this gets out to everyone that's considering Empower or already has Empower and doesn't know about all these little sneaky things that are happening. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'll update you guys if I end up actually having to pay a monthly fee every month, and I'll update you guys if I lose that cash back. That's been pretty good for me. I'm guessing that'll probably happen in the next few months or year. So until next time, this is Ian with Money Talks. See you later. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope you found it useful and insightful in some way. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you have any thoughts about it, leave a quick little comment down below. I'd love to hear it. I respond to every comment. Love to get a conversation started with you. Until next time, this is Ian from Money Talks.